Hi everyone! My name's Chelsea and welcome to Twinkle's Crafts for Kids. Today we are going to be making a DIY Christmas tree topper. We're going to be making a beautiful angel to sit right at the top of your Christmas tree. And all from a couple of paper plates. Let's go!
This angel topper fits snugly onto Christmas tree tops and can be personalised by using a photograph for the face. To make this DIY angel tree topper, you will need 2 paper plates, some scissors, a ruler, some glue, some paper, colourful pens, gold stars and a gold marker, a pipe cleaner, and some sticky tape. First, take one of the paper plates and cut it in half. Next, take the 2 points of the semicircle and bring them together. Then make them overlap so that your plate becomes a cone shape. Then flatten the cone, making sure to keep the overlap. Open the flap where the 2 sides overlap and put some glue in between. Use a clip or a peg to hold these together while the glue dries. While the glue is drying, we can start to decorate the angel. Turn the flattened cone shape over, then take your gold pen and draw lines over each bump in the edge of the paper plate. Then add a row of gold stars on the inside edge of the paper plate. Next, we're going to make the arms. Cut a strip of white paper 1.5 cm by 8 cm. Now, use the edge of the strip of paper to cut out 2 circles, which will become hands. The hands should fit the end of the strip of paper, like a hand in a sleeve. You can use skin tone paper for this, or colour in the hands. Glue the hands to the back of the arms, and then glue the arms just below the point of the cone shape. Next, we're going to make the face. You could use a photograph here, or alternatively, cut a circle of paper and draw a face. You can also add hair to your angel. Then we need the halo. Take your pipe cleaner, create a halo hoop at one end of the pipe cleaner, and then twist the end of the pipe cleaner to keep it in place. Attach the halo to the back of the angel using tape. This can be a bit fiddly, so maybe ask for a friend to hold the halo in place while you add the tape. Finally, our angel needs some wings. Take your second paper plate and use a ruler and a pencil to draw a segment a bit smaller than a quarter. Then cut out this segment. Test it on your angel. If you think the wings need to be a bit smaller, you can always cut a larger segment away. When you are happy with the size of the wings, decorate them with gold pen and stars. Then attach your angel to the wings using glue or sticky tape. The bottom of the angel's dress should hang lower than the bottom of the wings. Last of all, use your hand to open up the cone of the angel body. This cone can then slot over the top of your Christmas tree.
This is one of my favourite Christmas crafts. I love how beautiful those angels look at the top of their Christmas trees. Remember, you can find tons of Christmas activities for children at the Twinkle Crafts website. See you in your next craft project. Bye!